Here's a look at the market, the E-mini S&P for Monday, November the 8th, 2010. Okay, so we were expecting the market to still be in the bullish mode on our intraday or day-to-day analysis. We had around the 17 area and then the 15 area support. This market profile is the overnight market profile, and it reached a low of 1650. This market profile here is of the regular trading hours only, and it dipped down one tick below our 15 support, hit 1475, and then went up and actually made new highs late in the day. So the market is continuing to show its bullishness, and obviously our preference is still to be on the long side. We are looking at today's low as likely support, and really the next level up would be probably in around the 21 area, so a fairly tight containment in that sense, and then above that probably up to about 24 or so. Now there was no news today. However, tomorrow morning there will be the wholesale trade released, and that it will be at 10 o'clock in the morning, New York time. That's usually not a huge number, i.e. Doesn't usually rile the market too much. So a lot of news and events and so forth last week, so we may be in for a bit of a recuperative week this week, perhaps. We will have the jobless claims early this week because Thursday, even though the market is open, it's a holiday for a lot of government offices and banks and so forth. So the jobless claim numbers will be released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday morning this week. Also on that day there will be the crude and the Treasury budget. So might wait until Wednesday to get some action out of this market. Otherwise, we're still looking to trade the long side. We also take a look at these market profiles here. These are the day session only. As far as our trades were concerned here today, you can see that we actually ended up by taking 3 trades, but I'll just show you, for example, the short triggers that we had are the red arrows down. This one was too late. And the long trades are these guys here that we had. And you can see we had a few of them. So our first trade of the day turned out to be this trade. Now you see we are in a red filter here. Well, we knew that this area was likely to act as support in around the 17 area. Got to 1650 overnight, and then our next support area was down around 15. And obviously the market dipped just one tick below, gave us a long signal. And whenever we're in an intraday up auction, which we are in, and the market comes down near support, we want to take that trade. Even if the filter is against it, we want to have the 2 out of 3 in place. And obviously we had the 2 out of 3 in place there. So we were able to get long in this trade, and it had a nice rally higher, moving up here. Most conservative entry was in here after it had moved, I believe, 3 1/4 points, and then came back and stopped us at a 1.75 or 7 ticks on the final partial. So a nicely profitable trade there. This other long trade was not entered because we were already long, and so exiting here, we had another entry right here, which turned out to be a long trade, and was also for break even. These trades here were not taken whenever we're in an up intraday. We're not at a barrier. We don't take that trade. And also, you can see here we had the neutral filter at that time. Also, this short trade here was not taken. We were in the green filter at that time. But we did take this other long trade, which turned out to be our third trade of the day, right in here, and it immediately bounced a 1.75 in our favor. So we ended up with actually just 3 trades today. This was the first one down here. We had the second one in here, and we had the third one right here. So nicely profitable on the first and the third. And the second trade today was a break even. So some pretty good profit here today, considering that the market had such a small range of less than 7 points. So pleased to see that we were able to take out 7 3/4 points today on our 4 contracts. So a nice day of trading, even though it was very, very quiet. Any questions or comments are always welcome. Please contact us at info@eminidaytrader if you are so inclined. We always enjoy hearing from you. Questions and comments are always welcome. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.